Hey guys, welcome back. So we've got something a little bit different for you this week. Check it out.
Okay, so this is our first look at our hopefully new MacGregor. It's looking a little bit overgrown. There's some wheels down there somewhere. Wow, they're a long way in that mud. Wow, look at that. Meant to be an engine there as well. Oh, it's in there somewhere. And up here. Oh, lovely. Just go around the other side. It's been there a while, hasn't it? Oh, there's a wheel down there. Let's have a better look at the engine. Okay. We just want to see it, the steering turns. No, steering rods are seized. Nothing is there. Don't just, it'll break the steering box, so just be careful on that.
There's an option to swap between the rudders and the back.
Okay.
You just have to check that.
Okay. So let's not worry about that too much at the moment. You see if we can get into the cab.
Clockwise, 2 full times, stop at 6.
There you go. It's worth a try.
It was worth a try.
Never used them, Gav.
The rubbish.
They came free in a boat. Oh, they're not rubbish. Look, you got in.
Well done.
That was
Easy.
throw that down for you.
The problem is we didn't want to put a grinder near it because you don't want to grind near the boat, do you? So,
Oh,
whoa, first look. Oh wow.
There's a lot of water in there.
Wow. What's that nest?
Yeah, it's got a wasp's nest inside it.
Oh god. Okay.
I was expecting that to be 3 pieces then.
You've been your wellies to get in.
Where's the portal?
Okay, so just
they're the deck cushions outside now.
cushions, paddling pool,
Paddling pool.
the deck cushions for the back, and then another paddling pool. That looks quite full to me. I'm not sure what's in the cover there. We've got a nest. Cooker, lovely condition. Yeah. Not sure what's in this locker back here. What's in here, Gil?
That's the toilet. What? That's the bathroom.
Well, let's have a look at the ensuite. Oh, it's another paddling pool. Kids will be happy. Right, let's get back out and have a look. Go on, Gav, you're doing a good job there. Keep it up.
Yes. Keep smart. Don't stand there, Wally. You're getting wet.
That's on purpose. Hold on, I've got to lie down there to sort the trailer out. Oh God.
Unsinkable, is it? Unsinkable.
Yeah, the water's not come out, so it holds water, so it's watertight.
Yeah, that's true. It's definitely watertight. I'm doing the physical work again.
What time have you done
You
something?
wouldn't believe he's the younger brother, would you?
Definitely lucky.
Let himself go.
Hey!
Easy rises.
So that tyre has actually got air in it. Yeah. Gav, just be careful with that. Let's get some blocks under it.
Yeah. A little
Okay.
bit more.
Hey, you might be lucky.
How far do you reckon I can go before it goes wrong?
That'll do.
Plank. It can't slide off that this way now. Second.
So we've got the
Dials.
battery crimped on now. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. That's better. So we've got the battery perfectly on. Lovely job.
Safe as, safe as.
And then we've got a light up here.
9.3
interior
volt
lights.
voltage.
Ooh.
It says battery volts. Oh,
It's going up. That's okay. Right, and then what about the dial? So if you turn the ignition on, let's just see if you got anything on that lower dial down here.
That one.
Yeah. Nothing.
Nothing. Just watch yourself and just
Hold
go
on.
trim tilt. No, just the relay clicking.
Try flicking it over.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. Let's see if it's got any fuel then, eh?
I would say we'd be better off spraying something in the carbs.
Yeah. It's not fuel injected, this one, is it? It's got some nice big carbs down this side. It's not fuel injected. Yeah. We'll get some so-called easy start and see if we can get it going. So unfortunately we can't find the fuel line. So I've just popped the connection off here, off the filter, and just put a little bit of fuel in just to see if it'll fire. I just pumped it through, so let's just see what happens. What was the light?
I turned the key and the light went out.
Oh, that's better. Go on. No way. Happy days. Right, that'll do. So we get some water on it.
On the button.
It's having a new Impala anyway, so don't worry about that. Okay, let's see how it's getting on. Looks a little bit cleaner. If I stand here, it looks lovely. I'm not going to get too close. I'll not get too close. Got a little doggy with us. What's he up to? Oh my God, look at my Land Rover. Gav, what have you done to my car?
I said to put the cover on it.
Jesus. What?
Your car and not mine.
Hold on, you need to clean it.
Dirty this.
This is what Gabs is.
This is my car, look.
I left the window open, which is probably a bad idea.
What on the car? It's alright, if his car gets full of mud, that's not my problem. Okay, so we've got our little dinghy and some sails, some nice plates and bowls. Working our way through it. It's actually looking a little bit better.
I look dirty though now.
Nothing new there. And Robin's been working on the back here. I know it needs quite a bit more, but if you look, that has actually started to come up. compared to that side. And then if you work your way around here, that's what it did look like. Isn't it any different?
Not really. Mast looks alright. The channel was full of moss.
You missed underneath.
I'm up to there.
I was gonna say you missed a bit. Go on, Robin, keep scrubbing it. You can't say that.
I can't say that.
Nice cushions there.
They'll clean up lovely then. So on a plus side, the tender looks okay. But the cushions and the boat do not. So the plan is we're going to attempt to put the mast up. So we've just connected the shrouds.
Yeah, well, that's good.
Gav's doing something. I haven't got a clue what he's doing. What are you doing, Gav?
Absolutely no idea. I'm looking at things inside things.
I got my dad here that actually knows what's going on. So
Robin, could you
and Robin's busy cleaning.
Take that end of what way?
Oh, that.
So I will do another little video as it goes up in a minute.
How many people did it take to put a mast up?
We haven't got anything on that end. We haven't got anything on that end to pull it up yet. We need to come back.
Right. There's still nowhere near, don't we?
Ah.
Okay, so a little bit more progress.
What's that?
A bit more progress. A little bit cleaner up there. Robin's just working down this side again. A little bit of progress there, and then we'll work our way around. Still a bit minging. And then I've got a ladder now, so I can go and show you up here. You can see that's what the top was like. And then into here, Gav's just messing around with the cooker. Black and Gav.
Getting there.
Where's there? Yeah, it's a little less water. So he hasn't done any cleaning there yet.
We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.